Ladies and gentlemen, it's a beautiful day here in Colorado, and I'm about to take off on a short trip to work with a company on using new alternative supplementary cementitious materials specified or evaluated through ASTM-C 1709. My name is John Belkowitz, and let's get into Q&A Wednesday. All right, so we got a wonderful question, ding, from Jan Schlosser. It's a great name, Jan, and I appreciate you asking the question. Jan asks, how about to use recycled plastic for producing isolation polymer sprays or paint that protect poor concrete? Thank you for the question. Now, Jan, I am not an expert in polymers. My work with polymers are limited to polymer synthesis of new polymers from the ground up, and what we can see from polymers in our landfills and waste environments and how it affects, you know, the big blue planet that we live on. As I understand, most plastics are either viscoelastic or viscoplastic. And Jan, I apologize, I answer these questions on the fly thanks to Haley. At least I remember Haley's name, so I'm doing pretty good. But a lot of these definitions of, let's say, the elastopolymer versus, or elastic polymer versus a plastic polymer, and I feel like I just said them wrong. But I remember the definitions from my days back in school, so if I get them wrong, and you know the projects I work on, I apologize. Again, this is not my forte, but as I understand, a viscoelastic versus a viscoelastic plastic, one you can actually reheat and remold, and the other one you can't. Anytime you reheat it, it just turns into a blubbering mess, and a lot of fumes that are destroying the ozone, like chlorofluorocarbons, escape out into the air. So I think you might be able to do that with certain plastics that are that reusing or melting and reshaping version. But even that, I think the best you can get away with is creating a microplastics from these plastics, combining that as an aggregate within your epoxies or your sealers or even your concrete topping that are being used to seal up or refurbish aged concrete structures or to protect the poured concrete that you were talking about. So hopefully that answered your question. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ding that bell for notifications. Go concrete!